Good to see you again, Barbecue Warriors. Today we got something I think is pretty cool. How many of y'all ever use regular cheese mixed inside your burger? A lot of times, well, not a lot of times, all the time. It'll run out. It just runs out because it's not thick enough. Can't take that high heat and just becomes liquefied. Well, the way to get around that is use a high temp cheese. This is something right here you can pick up and order from any sausage making company where you get your sausage making supplies. They carry pepper jack, they got the cheddar, which we're using today. So it makes it a lot easier, you get a better product. 3 cups of high temp cheddar cheese. We got 3 pounds of 80-20 hamburger meat. That's 80% lean, 20% fat. First thing we're gonna do, today we're using my wild game rub. It's got a lot of herbs in it, extra spices you don't find in my regular rubs. Gives a real great flavor. Gonna mix it right into the meat. I'm gonna get this done before I put the cheese. Now remember that cheese is salty. That's one reason why I'm using this rub right here, my wild game. It doesn't have as much salt as some of my other rubs. Therefore, I'm not gonna get it over salted. Now it's time to sprinkle in my high temp cheese. Make sure you get it mixed up really well. How many of y'all ever put a hamburger on like right now, put it on the grill, start to flip it, breaks all the pieces? Good little trick I learned was take it just like I got it right here, stick it up in your freezer, 15 minutes to 30 minutes, then put them on your grill. That helps them keep from breaking. Not gonna guarantee it'll do it 100%, but it helps you. So I'm fixing to take mine, stick them over here in my walk-in freezer. While my hamburgers are freezing, I'm fixing to get my gravy ready. Start out heating up a little bit of cooking oil. And while it's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and add my chopped bell pepper and also my sliced onion. I'm gonna heat them up and get them translucent. Then I'm gonna add my flour, brown it up to make my roux, add a little bit of broth to thin it out, black pepper to season. I'll see y'all back here to get them on the grill. Barbecue Warriors, we're back here fooling around with these grilled high temp cheese chopped steak. I took them out of the freezer, got them on my grill. I'm running my Bark 3600 right here, 450 degrees. I'm using my Orchard blend, Myron Mixon pellets. We're ready. Now I gotta decide which one I'm gonna plate up and eat. We're gonna grab my gravy. Now folks, don't that look good right there? Now you see how that cheese stayed in there? It didn't run away. That high temp cheese, and it's real cheese. See what I got going on. You ought to try the recipe at home, don't take long. Do not forget, when you patty them out, stick them in the freezer for 15 to 30 minutes. That helps them keep from falling apart. You see that? They didn't fall apart. Now I didn't have to put no binder or nothing else in there. See you next time here at the Pavilion. Warriors, y'all be safe, keep smoking.